All right, let's see how we can solve this problem. As I told you before, whenever you have a problem that involves doing something in the reverse order, you should use a stack. Earlier, we used a stack to reverse a string. We can use the same technique to reverse a queue. So here's the idea. Let's imagine our queue looks like this: 10, 20, and 30. So here we have a queue. And 10 is at the front of the queue, right? Now, we create a stack and remove items from this queue one by one and put them into the stack. So first we remove 10, put it over here. Then we remove 20, put it over here, and finally 30. Right? Now our queue is empty and our stack has 3 items. 30 is the item on top of the stack. So this is the first item that we can remove. Now we start removing each item from the stack until the stack is empty. So we remove 30 and put it back in the queue. Then we remove 20 and finally 10. This is the idea. Okay, so let's go ahead and implement this. First, we create a stack of integers. Then we write a while loop. As long as the queue is not empty, we're going to remove items. So we call stack.push, and here we call queue.remove. So we remove one item from the queue and push it onto the top of our stack. Then we need another while loop as long as the stack is not empty. Here we're going to call queue.add and give it the item on top of the stack. So we call stack.pop to remove one item and return it. That's all you had to do. Let's test this new method. So here we call the reverse method and give it this queue. Finally, let's print the result. There you go. So our queue is reversed. Next, we're going to look at building a queue using an array.